Hi guys, my name is Michelle and today I'm going to teach you guys a crochet climb. It's probably one of the most basic climbs. I know I've taught the monkey climb before and that's the second most basic, but this is like the ultimate basic climb because you do a crochet wrap and that's basically all you do on your way up climbing. In fact, even on your way down usually. But so I know that some other people have other names for it, like French climb or Russian climb, but I just stick with crochet climb because it's the most descriptive way of naming this move. Okay. So in aerial you hear the word crochet a lot, and all it is a spiral around the silk. So you can do a crochet with your arms, and it usually starts on the outside coming in. This is a crochet hang, and there's even a crochet lock, that kind of thing. But what we'll be doing today is we'll be using our legs. So the way you do a crochet wrap with your leg is you keep the fabric in the middle, bring your left or swing your leg to the side, whichever leg you choose, and you basically swing it around and wrap it into a spiral. So this is a crochet. And from here, getting into the climb is very easy. All you have to do is grab on with both hands, hold on tight, so you're putting your weight onto the silk, so you can lift your other leg now, and you're gonna place your other foot on top of this silk. So let me do it left leg. So swing your leg outside, around, and generally you kick your leg forward. So when you lift up, you can step on it and then put your weight into it. So I'm gonna try to climb a little higher this time, and I'll do it from a different angle. So crochet, step on it. I actually try to lift myself up before I step. And then left leg, swing around, kick out, and then step. And you're kind of stepping on your ankle area. So now I'll do a couple climbs in a row. Now, left leg. So that was just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like when you actually do the climb. But I'll show you guys how to transition through the climb in another video. I just wanted to show you guys the basics of how to do it. So once again, I'll show you the crochet spiral. Kick out, swing it around, and then step on this crevice of your foot. Now, other leg. Swing around, kick out, step on this crevice. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Michelle, and feel free to check out my videos. I'll be posting them every week, so have a good day.